This video is about forest resource, which is one aspect of natural resource. This video is by Julia Persis S., Assistant Professor of English, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science for Women. There are the following types of natural resources: forest resources, water resources, mineral resources, food resources, energy resources, and land resources. Forest resources. A forest is a place where plants and trees grow quickly together. The study of forest is called forestry. Forests can be divided into natural forests and man-made forests or urban forests. Natural forests flourish without man's help. Wild animals safely live in natural forests. Man-made forests are grown deliberately by man in parks, colonies, around factories, etc. Only select trees are grown here. These plants and trees are pruned at regular intervals. Types of forest. There are several types of forest. The following are the major types of forest: coniferous forest, temperate green forest, deciduous forest, and tropical rainforest. Coniferous forests are found in places characterized by heavy rainfall, long winters, and short summers. Coniferous forests have plenty of pine trees, fir trees, and spruce trees. Animals like lynx, wolf bear, red fox, and porcupine are found here. Temperate evergreen forests. These forests are found in places characterized by dry summers and moist winters. Low evergreen trees grow here. Woodland lizards are found here. Deciduous forests. Deciduous forests grow in places where the climate is moderate. These forests are present in North America, Europe, Eastern Asia, parts of Australia, Japan, etc. Animals like deer, bears, grey foxes, wild turkeys, and woodpeckers are found here. Tropical rainforests. These forests grow near the equator, marked by high humidity with rainfall exceeding 200 centimeters. Uses of forests. Forests are useful to men in several different ways. Some of them are listed below. Forests provide firewood. It's a very cheap fuel, especially for villagers. Forests provide food also. We get fruits like mango and jackfruit and nuts like coconut, walnut, cashew nut, almond, etc. from forests. We get timber for making furniture and constructing buildings for forests. Chemicals used in dyeing industries are also got from forests. Forests prevent soil erosion. Forests reduce air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and replacing it with oxygen. Forests are also the natural balancers of our climate. Cutting down trees is called deforestation. Deforestation causes soil erosion, decrease in rainfall, loss of biodiversity, desertification, etc. Soil erosion. Nature takes 1,000 years to build 2.5 centimeter of topsoil, but our insensate destruction of forests causes the loss of precious topsoil. It is said that 12,000 million tons of India's topsoil gets washed away down the rivers every year. As a consequence of soil erosion, India loses 300 to 500 lakh tons of food grains every year. Decrease of rainfall. Because of decrease of forest, there is less and less rainfall in places like Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. The problem is so very acute in Tamil Nadu that because of water scarcity, we are forced to think of ways and means of converting seawater into drinkable water. Loss of biodiversity. Destruction of forests has led to the destruction of birds, reptiles, and other living creatures. The world will be a far poorer place without birds and animals. Desertification. If no efforts to check decrease in rainfall are taken, desert-like conditions will be produced. Already, there are many places which have become a desert in our country. Afforestation and conservation. Afforestation is planting more trees. The UN Forum of Forests is an international organization. The aim of this body is to formulate international forest policies and to implement action on development of forests. In India, the several central government formulated a policy called the Indian Forest Policy 1988. The aim of this policy is to grow trees in ecologically fragile areas such as watersheds and slopes, to grow groves in pilgrim centers, to encourage social forestry, urban forestry, agroforestry, and medicinal forestry. The National Wasteland Development Board. It was established in 1985. The aim of this board is to bring stretches of wasteland under cultivation and to promote afforestation and tree planting. And finally, he who plants a tree plants a hope. So let us save nature and save ourselves. Questions. Friends, can you name some forests in Tamil Nadu? Can you name some forests in India?